Hi everyone, so this time let's do an experiment. Let's see if AI can create 100 different videos with using just one prompt. So let's start right away. Okay, so I've written my prompt, create 100 different videos of character that looks like Albert Einstein. You know I like Albert Einstein. In each video he is explaining different scientific facts. Each video he is in a lab with white coat. Video should be in format 916 for YouTube Shorts, TikTok. You think about different facts that the character will say so that I don't have to research that by myself. Lip sync facts and making sound enthusiastic. Videos should be standard quality and 15 seconds of length. After producing each video, give short summary as a description for YouTube. Also propose good title and several tags after each video. Now create everything. Let's see what will happen. Okay, DeepAgent is thinking, and fine, this is expected. Understand you want to create 100 videos? Nice. However, I need to clarify a few important limitations. Production limits. Creating 100 videos would require a very large amount of credits, approximately 400k total. Would you like me to start with a smaller batch? Fine, it can start with a smaller batch. But if using lower quality of videos, should be less credits. Okay. So it says standard quality videos, what you originally requested, it should do 100 video totals, 4,000 credits. Probably would be more, but let's start. No, let's start with 100, okay? Perfect. Let's create all 100 Einstein videos. I'll proceed with 100 lip sync videos. Batch 1, video 1 to 5. And since here's now generating and creating everything by itself, images, script, narration, sound, everything, I don't have to do any manual work here. I need to say something. Of course, this is costing credits. I'm paying currently for the DeepAgent $10 to $20 per month. I need to create many videos and many different things. I will of course stop after a couple of video creations here because I don't want to spend all of my credits because I'm paying that from my own pocket. But I just wanted to show you how it really works. So let's see. Let's wait. So you see, he started producing the first video, quantum entanglement. He thought about that idea. He wrote the script by itself. So Abacus AI then started doing video, lip syncing, everything in the background. No need for you to do any manual labor. And this estimated time, 7 to 10 minutes per video, is basically in 99% of cases much shorter. So basically in a minute or two. And also here you can see that the DeepAgent created a prompt by itself to generate an image. So photorealistic portrait of Albert Einstein in a modern scientific laboratory. He will use that image to animate it, lip sync it, and then create the final YouTube short, TikTok or Instagram reel video. Pretty interesting. So it created the first video. Let's see. Quantum entanglement. Preview video. Okay, first title. Einstein explains quantum entanglement, the spooky science. He had description as I asked it at the beginning. And here are the tags. So completely everything ready for YouTube upload. Let's check the video.
Did you know that particles can be mysteriously connected across vast distances? This is quantum entanglement. When two particles become entangled, measuring one instantly affects the other, no matter how far apart they are. Einstein called this spooky action at a distance, because it seemed impossible. Yet experiments
This looks pretty good. And it immediately proceeded to create another video with the idea that it created by itself. Video 2. Time dilatation. Let's check for that to finish. And it's rather nice to have everything ready with one simple prompt. So complete video title, narration, voice, video, audio, everything is there. And also the facts. I didn't need to look for the facts elsewhere. It created everything by itself. And of course, that cost credits. Unfortunately, the tool does not have any free trial. And in one way, it's kind of understandable because when you can create such powerful things, the tool needs to spend credits to communicate with many different agents that are available in the world. Basically, it communicates with 100 different agents and or LLMs where needed. And here is the second video. And he started writing title, description, everything. Title, Einstein time dilatation, why time isn't what you think. Description, mind blown. Pretty good description for YouTube. And text. Let's listen to the video.
Time is not constant. According to my theory of relativity, time actually slows down when you move very fast or experience strong gravity. If you traveled me the speed of light for a year, you'd return to find decades have passed on Earth.
Nice. And it's immediately started proceeding to create a third video, E equals mc squared. And by the way, while this is running, you can specify any updates or changes. For example, now I could say, now generate batch of additional 5 videos with Einstein wearing, I don't know, a hat or in a different setting. So you can change everything during this batch, or you can stop the whole batch, as I will do, not to spend too much of my credits. And by the way, all of the files are downloadable. All of the images are downloadable, the sound, everything. You can even access your own virtual computer here, where you can save files, download, upload, do anything what you need to have. This is basically kind of a virtual machine that you can use as a part of this environment. Very, very powerful. Let's wait for the third video to finish. And here is the third video. Let's see. Everything is there. Already started proceeding with the fourth video, black holes. Let's check the video. Preview.
My most famous equation, E equals mc squared, reveals that mass and energy are the same thing. A tiny amount of matter contains enormous energy. Just
pretty good lip syncing and everything
1 gram
else.
of matter could power a city for years. This is why the sun shines.
Nice. And then just easy, download the video. That's it. And upload it with the title. Let's see what was added here. E equals mc squared explained, the most famous equation ever. So Abacus AI created, again, the description, the title, and the tags, and everything. Let's wait for the fourth video. And by the way, while this task is being done, you can just create a new task, open a new task in Abacus AI in Chat LLM, and it will then start doing something else for you. I don't know, creating an application, websites, whatever. Really, really powerful tool. Nice. And now we have the fourth video, and then I will stop. So let's see.
Black holes are the universe's most extreme objects.
They are.
They're regions where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. My equations predicted them decades before we found any. At the center lies a singularity.
Nice. So basically, like that, you can go into infinity. Of course, if you have credits, you can create how many videos or whatever else you like. Let's see, I think I spent all of my credits in the last 30 days. I apparently have 5,000 credits more. I spent 90k credits already, and I created many different videos, scripts, applications, websites, I don't know, many different things in the last 30 months. So yeah, it's a very interesting tool. Unfortunately, not free, but you know, the most powerful AIs are never free. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.